Sometimes when you're opening your YouTube application, like before, you won't be able to see the Shorts feed. Even when you go to the Shorts section, you can see a warning message saying that you've reached your limit. So if you're facing this problem, you can solve it. In this video, we'll show you how to fix it. Now when I'm opening the YouTube application, you can't see the Shorts section on my first page. And when you go to the Shorts section, you can see a warning message like this. To solve this, what you need to do is, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. And here you can see the settings option. Click on settings. When you click on that, here you can see time management. Click on time management. When you click on that, here you can see daily limits. Under that, you can see Shorts feed limit. Sometimes it will be turned on. That is why you're not able to see Shorts. If you want to see them, just turn this off. After that, the daily limit will be turned off. Now you can watch Shorts, and when you refresh on your first page, you can see Shorts suggestions as well. And when you go to the Shorts section, you can see Shorts there. So this way, you can easily solve the problem of not being able to see Shorts in your YouTube feed. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.